Yeah, now, who did you say again? Hailey. No, the name rings a bell, but I just can't. I'm, I'm trying to place them. Um, yeah, I mean, if you could help me out a little bit. Well, no, yeah. I mean, we get a lot of students that come through here. Um, I, I would remember a Haley, I think. I mean, it's an unusual name. Um, and maybe if they had been helpful or helped, you know, teach or, we learned something from Haley, that would have been something I could grab onto. The name is sounding familiar now. Kind of, I remember, tall, really tall, um, mustache? Haley. Oh, right, Haley. Yeah, I'm racking my brains. I'm trying. Hold on just a sec. Yeah, there's some racket going on back here. Let me turn that off. Hold on. Yeah, no. Again, what's the name? And they're graduating. Wow, that's a beautiful thing. It's really, really hard to do. Some people it takes years, to get to that point. But clearly, if they took this class, they learned so much about being kind to their environment, not gathering in large crowds, and basically being a gentle and kind person. And I'm sure that's who Hailey is. Congratulations, Hailey! I'm so glad that you're part of the class of 2020. Anyhow, this is not goodbye. This is the beginning. Love you very much. Okay, we miss you here. Have a great future. Bye now.